Follow me. Today I got this very nice HDB 4-room flat to show you at 691C Woodlands. Okay, as you enter, you can see how brightly natural lighted up unit is this. We never on the lights, very bright. Okay, have a look. Okay, we are on a high floor. Okay, overlooking the park below. Okay, as you follow me, you can see this is a very nice area for dining. Okay, very big spacious dining area. Okay, can have around sitting table also can, or rectangle. Okay, up to 8 packs actually no problem, just that the orientation can change to this way. 8 packs, 8 person can sit together. Alright, come, let me show you the common bedrooms. Okay, this is the first common bedroom. Okay, very bright, very spacious. Okay, if you have small kids like this family, right, the kids have very good study environment. Okay, come, let me go to the common bathroom. Okay, nicely done up. You see the flooring, alright, very resort style, rain shower on top. Okay, come, let me show you the other bedroom. Okay, the other common bedroom, equally spacious as you can see. Okay, same, we will never on the light, very bright. Okay, this unit is very bright, we never on the light. And you look at the flooring, okay, just nice, this part no, nothing, I can see the flooring, very nice, very well maintained flooring. Okay, come, let me show you the master. Okay, this master is huge, as you can see. They do up a platform bed because they have 3 small kids. So they want to sleep together at night, right? So this is the way they can do it. It's very spacious. And if you look out of these windows, right, you can see that we don't have much blockages ahead of us, so it's very breezy. Alright, come have a look at the master bathroom. Okay, nicely done up flooring. Comes with rain shower as well. Okay, come follow me. I will show you the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen is underutilized. Okay, very new. Okay, as good as newly renovated. You can have a look. Okay, both left and right, full height, built-in cabinetry, all done up. Okay, at the end, at the yard area, you have a very nice open view. Good to dry your laundry. And if you look up, right, there's this nicely done up clothes hanger. Okay, automated. Alright, if you would like to see more of this unit, okay, do remember to drop us a message below. Okay, see you soon.